using power from the sun for power and heat. The sun is a great source for supplying natural electricity that may be used in a number of ways. Heat is applied evenly from the sun as the solar-powered energy spreads over the surface of the earth. When the rays from the sun can be captured in a particular location for an extended amount of time, the energy can be used to provide heat even at night or on overcast days. To start up solar energy, you can do it when you have a spot to do it. Because it is the sun that is giving the solar power, it does not cost you anything. You do have to pay for the resource you make use of for collecting the solar energy, but that should be your only expenditure in the long term. It should be less expensive than what you have now, considering that you need to pay for gas and oil heaters month after month. You can not only get heating from solar power, but also cooling and ventilation. You are going to have to find a solar collector, if you wish to capture the energy from the sun, so you can have your own solar power. Examples of solar collectors include glass and transparent plastic. The idea of the solar collector is not that much different as a car sitting in the hot sun for a long period. Heat from the sun gets into your car through the glass, but it isn't allowed to escape. The seats and metal buckles inside can become extremely hot. If you would like the car or truck to cool down, you must open the windows so the heat can escape. A greenhouse works exactly the same way, by having the sun pulled in by the clear plastic or glass, and then not permitting the heat to escape. Because of the proper temperature in the greenhouse, plants can flourish all year round in traditionally cold areas. If you would like to utilize solar power to heat up your house, you must find out if you prefer an active home or a passive home. A passive home utilizes windows and direct sunlight to naturally heat the house. The position of the windows are key to ensure that the maximum amount of sunlight can come in the home. Shut doors and window curtains help to keep the heat from escaping. With regards to active homes, blowers, pumps and other heat sources are utilized to heat your home. It works by having a solar collector installed outside the home and the heat is transferred through air or water. The heated water or air is then directed all over the residence to warm it up. By having solar energy as a natural energy source, you don't need to depend on the utility company so much. Provided that we have the sun, we should have solar power. With some research, you will find a wealth of information on solar power.